Do you have questions about our services, warranties, or issues with your device? Fear not, I'm here to walk you through some frequently asked questions about our services. Can you handle fixing my device? Yes, absolutely. If the device isn't too worn out, our skilled technicians can fix it. We pride ourselves on providing quality repairs to get your device back to optimal performance, ensuring it works like new again. This applies to all your devices, be they phones, computers, game consoles, etc. How long does a repair take? It depends on the device and the exact repair needed. Most repairs are extensive and others can be completed within an hour. Our team works efficiently to minimize downtime and get your device back to you as quickly as possible. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we do. We accept MasterCard, Visa, Discover, and American Express, among others. Our goal is to make the payment process as convenient and hassle-free as possible for you, ensuring a smooth transaction every time. Where are you located? We have 3 convenient locations, each housed in similar buildings. For more detailed information, please check the contact pages for each location on our website. We aim to make it easy for you to find and visit us no matter where you are. Do you offer any discounts? Yes, we do. We offer discounts for multiple repairs, tailored to meet your needs. Additionally, there may be other temporary discounts available. Call us for the latest offers and to see how we can save you money on your repairs. Do you offer a warranty? Our lifetime warranty guarantees the quality of both the parts we use and our labor. If any replaced part malfunctions within this period, we'll redo the repair at no extra charge. Please note that our warranty does not cover new damage, lost or water-damaged devices, or issues unrelated to our repair. How fast can you repair a cracked screen? Our cracked screen replacement services are both fast and affordable. In fact, a majority of laptop and phone screen repairs can be completed within 1 business day, sometimes even while you wait in the store. My speaker is not working. If your device speaker is muffled, distorted, or simply producing no sound at all, you may be in need of a speaker repair or replacement. Trust the experts at LML to solve all of your audio issues. What about the buttons? Can you fix those? Sure, if buttons on your phone or other device are malfunctioning or broken, we work quickly to fix the problem so that you never have to be without it too long. My phone fell in the pool. If your phone is suffering from water damage, visit LML for a professional diagnostic to determine the extent of the damage. Clean out the device, flush out any debris, and test accordingly. My device has no signal. What can I do? When you are experiencing weak signal or no signal on your device, it may be suffering from a variety of issues including water damage, SIM card damage, or outdated software. We are well equipped to fix this issue for you. My battery won't hold a charge. A battery that won't hold its charge can put a serious damper on your productivity. Luckily, LML performs professional battery replacements so that you can go about your business with ease. At LML, we are authorized and qualified to repair a wide variety of devices, such as products by Apple, Samsung, Google, Microsoft, Sony, and more. Check out our website for more information or to make your booking, and see you soon!